Hello friends, my name is Aman. I am going to tell you about trees and what they give us. Trees are natural. They are like a gifted God thing, and they give us pulp and they give us woods to burn the fire. Okay, so you should grow many trees. That's why people say that do not cut trees because they give us oxygen. If there are no trees, there is no tree of this much inch also. We won't be alive over here. And do you know? If the sun is old, we are getting this clean sunlight right now. If the sun is suppose that the sun is old now, and the Mars and Venus will be taken into in the middle of the sun by itself, then the full earth will be like a desert. You can see Sahara Desert and Rajasthan. Okay, the full earth will be like this, and there will be no a single drop of water. That's why we won't be alive. We have 5 million years to discover something to save our earth and save our lives. And that's why people say you can search on any Google how many years we have to save our earth from the sun. If the sun gets old, then what will happen on the earth, and the how would be full earth, and how the people will be staying, they would be dying or not, and the cows and buffaloes will also die if the people die. They want to take care of them, they won't tie them, and the sun will be on the dead side. Okay, that's why we have to discover something to save our sun and not our sun, our earth, because earth is a planet on which we can live. Only earth is a planet, and one person says that there is another planet like earth. It has means 200 or 300 acres or 400 500 acres of soil, and in the meantime it is more farthest from the earth, like Neptune, and it is means one means suppose that this is the earth means the chart will show you like this. This is the earth, we are living on it. Okay, and this is one earth type planet, and it is I think 500 or 2 million kilometers away from our earth. That's why if anyone go to there, he will take hundreds of years to reach there. That's why we don't need to go anywhere and save our planet over here. And they give, and some are like that trees, many trees like apple, grapes, not grapes. Grapes grapes come from a climber type thing, and do you know we get our food from some plants like wheat plant, maize plant, soya bean seeds, and pulses. There are many type of seeds like I have pulse, and many type of our grandma has planted some on like means 50 or 100 meters from here. Do you know the I have and many type of other pulses? They give us too much strength and give us too much possibility to lift any kind of weight. And you know, we eat rice, maize, and maize is most popular in India. Do you know? And rice, and there are many types of rice like basmati rice without come means plain rice. And bye. We meet in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.